Knowledge is time, is power, is money. The quote might look confusing to you, but it is as interesting as the book. Hello, my name is Astha and you are watching News 47. Today we are going to discuss about a very famous book by the best-selling author Robert Thayer. The book name is Storm and Silence series by Sir Robert Thayer. Storm and Silence series is one of the best books that you'll ever read. If you're looking for a hilarious day, you should read this book. This book has romance, drama, history, adventure, politics, activism, and so much more. Sir Robert's style of writing is so unique and so funny that you won't be able to stop reading the book once you begin. The story revolves around a girl named Lillian Linton who lives in London in 1900s. Linton is not just another girl, but a feminist in that era. She believes in equal rights for men and women and fights for her right in the old London times, where women did not even have the voting rights. Linton disguises herself as a man and applies for a job in a multimillionaire company owned by Mr. Richard Ambrose. Mr. Richard Ambrose is not just another businessman, but he is the wealthiest person in the England and also the most miser person on earth. Weird, I know, but this book involves a bunch of crazy characters with so much drama and adventure. Together they work, save the world, go on adventurous trips, fight for their love, and throughout the journey, Lily keeps us entertained with her sense of humor. Storm and Silence series is a work of fiction and has 8 books in its series. Ninth book of this series is being published on Inkitt and Wattpad. This was originally posted on ebooks application Wattpad and Inkitt. Each book has around 100 chapters in it. The first book of the series, In the Eye of the Storm, was published on 19th of March 2016. The entire series is of romance and historical fiction genre. The book has been awarded with Goodreads Choice of Award in romance genre. Storm and Silence series is one of the funniest books that you'll ever read. It will keep you on the edge with a lot of suspense, but you will never get bored of it. The classic love story between Lily and Richard is the highlight of the story. So do give this book a read because you won't find any other book as hilarious and as amazing as Storm and Silence series. That's all for today. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit like and share. Thank you.